All right, problem number 2 in our study guide. Free response questions on the second exam. And this is a question about a velocity versus time graph. And first question they ask us is, what is the initial velocity? And of course we read that off the graph here, and we see that that's 70 meters per second. The next thing they ask us is, when is the velocity 0, meaning when is the object not moving? We read that off the graph right here, so this is v naught. And this is when v equals 0, and that's going to be at 7 seconds. Next they ask us, what is the acceleration of the object? So let's remember that the acceleration is the slope of the object. So we're going to do rise over run. So why don't I look at the time here? So this is 0 and this is 7. So from the formula for slope, I'll do rise over run, which is going to be v2 minus v1 over t2 minus t1. v2 is 7, actually v2 is 0 and v1 is 70. And so I am getting a value of 10 meters per second squared negative as my acceleration. Now, what is the displacement of the object from 0 to 7 seconds? So from the previous problem, we get the displacement as the area under the curve. And just to kind of highlight it here, so here's the curve. It's a triangle. And that means the area is 1/2 base times height. And that's going to be 1/2 times the base, which is 7, times the height, which is 70. And that is going to give us 245 meters of displacement.